look up, child. Hey, 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 hey. This is a fun one for you. This is Look Up Child by Daigle. I just love her pep and just the energy that's in this song. Have a lot of fun. I've stripped it down to the basics for you. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will find the printable chord sheet that I have prepared for you. It'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Let's do it. All right, so in the key of D, we have D, G, A, and then we have a B minor and an E minor. So 5 chords. So if you look for this group of 2 black notes, you will find the D tucked between there. So play D, F sharp, A, and you play a D major chord there. All right, let's free. Oh, and that's a triangle shape too. If that helps you to remember this as being this white, black, white, that would be helpful to play the A chord the same way. So freeze that shape in your hand, so to speak, and move it to the A position, which is just tucked in between these 3 black notes. So we play A, C sharp, E. Okay. Then we just play G chord by moving 1 set of notes down. G, B, D. Okay. And then let's pick up our 2 minor chords. So if you look here, here's a B, D, F sharp. That's a B minor chord. And oftentimes I'll play fingers 1, 2, 3, or you can play 1, 2, 4, or whatever feels good for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. B minor. And then our E minor is right next door to that D note. So C, D, E. Play every other note there. E, G, B is an E minor chord. All right, so let's review. We have the triangles, D, A, other triangle. Then we have our G. Then we have our B minor and our E minor. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at left hand. We're going to be playing single notes down here just to keep it simple. I'm going to try to play pinky on G and line up my 5 fingers and leave this hand the whole song. Okay, when we play the G, we're going to play G in the bass. Okay, A to A in the bass. B minor to B single note down there. D, triangle in our right hand. Single note D down here. And then our E minor, we're going to play E minor up here, and we're just going to open our thumb here 1 space, 1 note there, okay? I wouldn't move your hand out of position, just play the E there right next door, okay? All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1, and then we're going to talk about the rhythm, and we're going to break that down so you can know how to play what I'm going to do. All right, here you go. And where are you now? When darkness seems to win, and where are you now when the world is crumbling? Okay, let's talk about that rhythm, the bringing of the 2 hands coming together. So we're just going to do, it's written in 4 time signatures, so the ratio we use is 1 to 2. If you're with us any period of time, that's kind of a familiar term. So 1 to 2 just means we're going to go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, you could put that on the D chord. Together, right, together, right. Okay, nice marching rhythm to get you started for a good foundation for this song anyway. Okay, so let's go through and let's talk about just a bit of a pattern too. So verses 1 and 2 have the same pattern. D, E minor, B minor, G. Repeat. D, E minor, B minor, G. Okay. Then we have that pre-chorus, just 4 chords. And then the bridge is the same pattern as well. D, E minor, B minor, G. D, E minor, B minor, G. So there's a lot of repetition in this song, which helps take out the overwhelm for you. All right, so let's slow it down with verse 1, and I'm going to walk you through it. D starts us out. Where are you? E minor. Now. When. B minor here. B minor or B in the bass. Darkness seems to G. When. Back to the D. Where are you? E minor. Now, when the B minor world is crumbled, G. Okay, then we move into that pre-chorus, which is the same 4 chords. We're just changing the words, okay? Oh, G, whoops. I hear you, B minor, say. I hear you, A, say, look up, child. Okay, D chord coming up. Okay, then we go to the E minor. Hey, look up, child. B minor. Hey, 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 G. Okay, she kind of has a little bit of hey during those different parts, but you just kind of keep on that nice steady marching rhythm and it should line up. So, look up, child. Hey, 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 hey. Or ho, 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 whatever she says. All right. Then verse 2 is the same as verse 1. You're just going through this same pattern. D. So you might just want to do that in your hands together. B minor. Da, da. D. Where are you now? E minor. When I can't figure it out. G. Oh, I. And then it goes into the pre-chorus again. All right, let's break up the bridge. It's the same 4 chords, like I said, repeated over and over. So we're just changing the words, okay? You're not, here a D, threatened by the war, you're not, E minor. Shaken by the storm, I know, B minor. No, you're in control, G. Repeat those same 4 chords. Even, D, in suffering, even, E minor. When it can't be seen, I know, B minor. No, you're in control, G. Oh, and I hear you say, and I hear you say, look up, child. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look up, child. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. Jump in with me. If you goof up, you play the wrong chord, doesn't matter. Just find the next chord that you can pop in with me. Have a lot of fun. You could do it. I believe in you. Let's do it. And where are you now when darkness seems to win? And where are you now when the world is crumbling? Oh, and I hear you say, and I hear you say, look up, child. Hey, 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 hey. Look up, child. Hey, 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 hey. And where are you now when all I feel is doubt? And where are you now when I can't figure it out? Oh, and I hear you say, and I hear you say, look up, child. Hey, 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 hey. Look up, child. Hey, 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 hey. You're not threatened by the war, you're not shaken by the storm. I know you're in control, even in a suffering, even when I can't be seen. I know you're in control. Oh, and I hear you say, and I hear you say, look up, child. Hey, child.